Today we're gonna
Today we're gonna have a Nerf war.
friendly lang.
Not friendly Nerf war.
Yes, but you have to comment down below who's gonna win. Okay?
Technically, it's me.
No, give me the
It's okay. They will pour bullets because you're weak.
Ayun, what you talk about, right?
This is mine, the big shot. The first video we did, like 5 years.
Shane Loki.
Thank you for the subscribers.
Magaling.
Subscribers like that. Oh, this is my bullets. I got soft bullets because I don't want to hurt my brother.
And I got big bullets because Copper's scared.
Like, do you look at that?
Copper!
Why? Like, look at that, man. Okay, so today we're gonna build a fort. Like, we're gonna go back. Okay, we're just gonna pause it a little because we're gonna make a fort. Okay.
But building fort starts. Hi guys, this is my fort. I got a blanket here to cover my pillows. And this is the protective barrier and yeah.
This is my fort, and as you look at, one blanket, and then I have 2 pillows to protect me from that guy. Like, from the other side, we have big space. Not that big, but we're gonna have lights on,
Cover not that big.
and we're gonna have
Lights on.
lights on mode because dark mode we cannot see us. We are the Cal Negros. Okay,
Ito negro.
and in 5 minutes we're gonna start the Nerf war. Hey, this is my new fort because look
Because
at my.
kupal.
Uy.
Cheater.
It's gonna be easy game.
Cheater, 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 cheater.
It's only lights on, so we're gonna start in 1 minute. Okay.
Actually,
We're gonna start the Nerf war.
30 seconds.
Not that. We'll see. Like that.
Self-defensive portion.
Nice and cozy here. And we can look at that.
over here as well.
Look at that boy.
That.
Hey, that's fine.
3,
Oh.
2, 1. Please don't hit the song. Thank you.
The heck?
Ow! Binig mo.
Ano ba ba?
Oh, wala. So,
Okay.
part lang to. Ano yung photo? Tara na. Ano yung photo? Don't you dare.
The bullets sa kanan, bullets.
No. Tama po yung photo.
We got big guns.
Tama po. Harry Potters. Go. Maganda. Basta. For the bullets. Oh.
Mine has the powerful gun.
Ow! Where's the bullet? Also, there is no survive.
Sorry, bullets.
Okay. Oh!
Hindi mo na tayo na kumigo ah.
Ano po sinali?
1.
5 seconds. So, oh.
Hindi tayo lang mo, joke.
Ha? Ato! Ato. So,
Sasabi sa mga sibilo na Pilipinas. Hindi tayo kumigo. Sarap pali oh. Other bullets. Ano na po?
Pero kasi, ano kasi.
May bullets lagi.
Time out, time out.
Yeah, time out.
Sige. Yeah.
Time out! Bye!
Time out muna.
Okay.
Where's the
Okay.
bullet, sir? Yala, kaya.
Mahalap.
What's the bill to Chinali?
No, yes.
What's the bill to Chinali? Yes.
Over.
Yes. Yes. What's the bill ba total?
6.
Dante. Hindi ko pa.
Ano yan? Okay, therefore starts again.
What pa?
The break is now over.
Kaya sa bullet. Yeah. Sir! Ay, may bullet! Sige, masakit na tuloy mo. So, check ka na. Dahil mo, ano yan?
Ayan, kumikul bullet, uy. Ate, busay. Kailan na, ate, busay.
Wait, busay.
Ayan, so.
Just because it's your pagada. Okay, therefore. But,
Yeah.
yes. Please, sir. Thank you. Where did you bullet? Tama lagi. Sabi, ano daw?
Brothers, take it solo.
Give me a timeout.
Time out.
Ano, okay na. Ano, wait for timeout.
No! What is it?
Timeout, ano yung siso? Sa pwede na ulit ako nagkira.
It's always time out.
Apply naman ka ni. Ano pwede yung bullet sa kulatina to? Ay, wala naman masip.
The Nerf Brothers, the
Hi
Nerf
guys,
Wars ended.
sorry guys, the refer ended confirmed to some things or technical issues from the darts because my kuya lost one
Oh,
because he shot it.
in
And
his face.
hopefully you subscribe so you can
Subscribe Nerf Brothers, and that's all.
subscribe. That's all. Bye.
Give me money, baby. Bye!